Cutler. Brought on side left wing by Prowse. In the slot, the shot loose outside the post, and covering and smothering there is Ross by Prowse. In the slot, the shot loose outside the post, and covering and smothering there is Ross. And here's Mount weaving it to the lawn onside. Kukuca snaps a shot on the save, rebound, he bangs it, and he scores! It may be Connor Roulette at the back post who bangs home his second of the season. Kukuca snaps a shot on the save, rebound, he bangs it, and he scores! Kukuca snaps a shot on the save, rebound, he bangs it, and he scores! It may be Connor Roulette at the back post who bangs home his second of the season. Andrej to Mount at the right circle. Mount snaps a shot on goal, rebound. Sent out in front by Rybinski, blasting on goal, and scoring! Kukuca 2, Andrej Kukuca with the power play goal for Seattle. Sent out in front by Rybinski, blasting on goal, and scoring! Seattle. Andrej to Mount at the right circle. Mount snaps a shot on goal, rebound. Sent out in front by Rybinski, blasting on goal, and scoring! Kukuca 2, Andrej Kukuca with the power play goal for Seattle. But the Royals get it back to the line. The shot ends up behind the goal. Sent out in front. Near post save by Ross with a chance by Fizer. Games. Oler assists. Big hit by Bergen. Kate is a chance for the Royals, though. Gould at the side of the net. A wrapper into the far post and a big pad save off the left leg by Ross as he denies Sean Golka. Royals still 2-0 Seattle. Darungs. High slot. Herauf shot blocked in front by Seattle. It hit Wedman. He can't locate the puck. Royals fire shot. Save again by Ross. And finally Williams will flip it out. This Dick and the Royals get behind the T-Bird defense. There's a 2-on-none. Coming back is Godfrey to break it up. What a play by the newcomer. Onside Oliver. Cut to the high slot. Runs into three T-Birds. Two T-Birds run into each other. Chance score! Fizer with the goal. Cuts the T-Bird lead in half. Cut to the high slot. Runs into three T-Birds. Two T-Birds run into each other. Chance score! Put it in front. Williamson blasting his shot off the rebound as Mount put it on goal. Here's a loose puck. Jeri-Leon scores! Does it count? Yes, it does! At the horn, a power play goal for Seattle. I'll put it on goal. Here's a loose puck. Jeri-Leon scores! Does it count? Yes, it does! At the horn, a power play goal for Seattle. Kukuca almost fumbled it out to center ice, but he kept it onside. Kukuca down low, give and go. White's open, near post shot. Score! Connor Roulette, his second of the night and third of the season. He's tied for the team lead. Kukuca down low, give and go. White's open, near post shot. Score! Zone to Kukuca almost fumbled it out to center ice, but he kept it onside. Kukuca down low, give and go. White's open, near post shot. Score! Connor Roulette, his second of the night and third of the season. He's tied for the team lead. That's the Royals back on side. They skate in a 2-on-1. Oliver shot, pad save, stacking made by Ross at the near post, and he will hold it there. They skate in a 2-on-1. Oliver shot, pad save, stacking made by Ross at the near post, and he will hold it there. Warm pressure, plays it blue line. Herauf to the slot, fires a shot, he scores, makes it 4-2. Power play goal for the Royals. Herauf is it blue line. Herauf to the slot, fires a shot, he scores, makes it 4-2. Oliver sends it to the slot, the shot from there, they score. It's a one-goal game. Gary Oliver sends it to the slot, the shot from there, they score. It's a one-goal game. Gary trying to get that puck back to the line, stolen by Seattle. Roulette, another chance to go. He's pulled down. That should be a goal. That should be a goal. It was an empty net for Seattle. Yep, it will be a goal, and that's a hat trick.
It's the hat trick.
Connor Roulette's going to get credit for the goal, and he gets the hat trick as he gets pulled down on the breakaway. It's an automatic goal when the net is empty and you get pulled down. How about Connor Roulette now leads the team in scoring, by the way.
That's something you don't see every day.
They'll sweep it over. Williams has it. That will do it. Seattle with the 5-3 victory. Your final score got a little dicey here at the end, but Seattle holds on. This game will be punctuated by the first ever Western Hockey League hat trick by the 16-year-old Connor Roulette. 5-3 your final